Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get code from Figma design. We'll dive into the practical steps you can take right now to transform your visual concepts into functional code. This guide will help you bridge the gap between design and development, making your workflow much smoother. You'll learn how to prepare your Figma files for optimal code output, saving you valuable time and effort in the long run. Let's get started on this exciting journey. There are several effective ways to generate code from your Figma designs. Many developers find success using specialized Figma plugins, which can automate a significant portion of the code export process. For more control, you can manually inspect elements within Figma to extract specific CSS properties and values. Additionally, various third-party platforms offer advanced design-to-code capabilities, providing robust solutions for complex projects. Don't forget to export your assets, such as images and SVGs, directly from Figma for easy integration. To ensure you get the cleanest and most efficient code, follow some key best practices within Figma. Always organize your layers with clear, descriptive naming conventions. This makes the code much easier to read and maintain. Employ consistent styling and leverage component libraries to create reusable elements, reducing redundancy in your code. Group related design elements into frames or components, and always ensure proper auto layout and constraints are applied for responsive and accurate code generation. These steps will significantly improve your code quality. By effectively getting code from Figma, you can significantly streamline your entire development workflow. This approach accelerates development cycles by reducing the need for extensive manual coding, allowing your team to launch products faster. It also vastly improves collaboration between designers and developers, ensuring everyone is working from a single source of truth. You'll maintain greater design consistency across all your platforms, and your developers can focus their valuable time on complex logic rather than repetitive UI implementation. It's a win-win for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.